Hello, I'm Terry Minutello, and I'm from Shaler Township. We built our home 30 years ago, and it looked like it was 30 years old. So we wanted to create more of an open concept. They were very precise of what they were doing. They followed up, they got back to me, gave me my price quote, and as soon as I was ready to go, they were ready to go. So one of the things that I truly admired was one morning I got up, and as I walked down the hall, I found the painter actually with those, not sure what they're called, but you use them when you're in mines with a light above your head, to my wall as close as he could be, making sure that there was not one flaw in my large cathedral wall, which was amazing because when it was all said and done, the wall was flawless. The day the walls came down was amazing. It opened this room. The rooms looked small. My rooms were small. My kitchen was small, my dining room was small, my living room. When the walls came down in my kitchen, it was the wow factor. It was like, wow, I can't believe this room is that large. And just recently, we had my daughter's engagement party, and she wanted 25 people to attend. And I said, we don't have the room. I don't think it's going to work here. And 25 people were in this room, and let me tell you, plenty of room. Casey is a wonderful person. When he tells you, he exceeds what he says.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.